built in 1925 to carry local traffic over Meacham Creek and the Union Pacific Railroad. This modest bridge once served pioneers of a new era, automobiles replacing wagons, roads replacing trails. Now, a century later, it's being rebuilt with the help of the Oregon State Bridge and Pacific Foundation. Today, Pacific is drilling large diameter shafts for the bridge abutment. Bent number 3 is perched on the east side of the overpass, leaving the driller little room to get the massive Bauer BG-33 into place. With Tony Cutry guiding him into position, they confirm hole location and fit a digging bucket to begin drilling. In the summer season, the name of the game is to keep the drills turning and engines running. This crew, led by Ryan Stewart and Wrangle Crane, are masters of their craft. When production demands are high, we call in the A-Team.